Okay, we got a nice even coat of wax. Just go around it and buff. Some places you might want to put a little bit extra wax on it. Usually when I wax a chair for a customer, I put a lot of wax on it, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just showing you the technique, because actually this job takes anywhere from an hour to 2.5 hours, depending on how detailed you want to get. Usually about 2 to 3 coats of wax, and this chair will look beautiful. The wax will not fully harden for about a week, so you can come back to it every now and then and buff it a little bit more, kind of like a hobby. So there you have it. An old chair back to life, ready to be sat upon.